Good morning, everyone. I have the grandkids today, and they want cheese pizzas. They like the Totino's, I don't know, it's the square ones, and we're out. They ate them all. So, we are going to show you how to kind of remedy that problem so you don't have to just run to the store to get more by using things you have at home. And it's pretty inexpensive. I used to do this when my kids were little. We didn't have a lot of money, and I would actually just use toast and ketchup and the American cheese, and they loved it. So you can do that, or you can get a little creative, which I'm going to do here in a minute. I've got some English muffins. Don't know what that was. Oh, neighbor just started up a motorcycle. That's what it was. I could hear it. Yeah. So, so we are going to show you a little step by step. Okay, here we go. Pre-toasted the English muffins, and we're going to take them out here in just a second. To use this beautiful cutting board that I got for Christmas one year from my son and his girlfriend. It's specially made, handmade, and I use it all the time. So I need to probably put some oil on it. Anyways, we're gonna get started. So this is just basic ketchup. That's it. I threw a little salt in here, and then in here I have garlic powder, sweet basil, and oregano. You can put whatever you prefer in your ketchup base, and it's just ketchup. Oops, just base tomato ketchup. That's it. Nothing fancy. You could do it with spaghetti sauce. Spaghetti sauce. You could use spaghetti sauce, or if you just have tomato sauce, you could do the same thing. The ketchup already has all the sugar and everything in it. So we're just going to stir this up really good. And then I'm going to get a spoon. It's cooking on a dime here, and we're going to see what it tastes like. So I mixed in all of my spices to where I like the flavor of it. Like I said, you play with it and you do you on that. If you don't like any of those, you can just do straight ketchup. If you don't have those spices, just do straight ketchup. You could probably put some onion powder in. I would if it was me, but they don't really like onions. So they just wanted a couple English muffins, and then they wanted some pizzas. So then what you're gonna do, I already pre-toasted these. So we're just gonna spread this around. You know how English muffins are. Put this all over. You can make it as saucy as you want. Not very saucy, just you do you on how you want to make it. It's very simple. Okay, I have a leftover sauce for later. So then I shredded some cheese. You can do any type of cheese you want. If all you have is American cheese, slap of that on. This is just sharp cheddar. I did it because it's more white. I don't have mozzarella, which is preferred. So this looks more like a pizza. So just put that all on there, and I'm gonna go put it in the air fryer and show you what it looks like. So the cheese has melted on the little pizzas, and we're gonna go have a little taste test going on, see what they think. I know they like them, I've done them before. So that is how to make a quick and easy little pizza. Wondering about that. Yeah, okay. How is it? Do you prefer those over the square pizzas?
Oh, yeah, no duh.
Really?
What?
Oh, interesting.
My turn. Interesting?
Yeah, I'm just curious.
Says the grandma that makes other things.
Yeah, no, the square ones that are bought.
Yeah, I know.
You like these?
Make your own brand.
They're cheap. Okay, just a second.
Bama's Pizzas.
And you can make them on a dime. Okay. Where's your? You don't have your pizza. That's an English muffin. Goofball. You gotta try your pizza. Here. Try your cheese pizza. Tell-
Good.
Your English muffin was good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you try your cheese pizza yet?
Yeah.
Kid tested and budget approved for sure. So there you go. He prefers those over the cheap pizzas. I mean, the other ones are so much easier to make. If you have pepperoni on hand, you can throw that on there. Some lunch meat like ham, or you can get creative, whatever you have. But like I said, you don't even have to use English muffins. That's just what I have. The kids like them. You can just take a regular piece of white bread, put some ketchup on it, throw a little garlic powder on it. If you like garlic, oregano, basil, whatever you have in your spice cabinet that will work to give you kind of that pizza flavor. Throw whatever type of cheese you have. Don't use cheese sticks because they typically won't melt, but most people have. I know a lot of people on a budget have that American cheese because it's cheap, or if you have shredded cheese. And remember, if you're buying shredded cheese, make sure the price per unit or per ounce is the same as the block, because when you buy block cheese, you're going to do the work. If you buy shredded, you're paying for them to do the work. It's the same thing with fruits. When you buy fruits cut, you're paying someone else to do the cutting. So, and I learned a really good tip on watermelon. If you like watermelon, and it's worked for the last 3 watermelons I bought, that if you make sure the green stripes on the watermelon are at least 2 finger widths apart, your watermelon is ripe. And it hasn't failed me yet. So buy your own watermelon, cut it up, get them on sale. So I am going to end this video for now. I'm going to try and make some homemade pasta, and if you would like me to show you how easy it is to make pasta, and it's actually a lot better for you because it doesn't, if you're making it yourself, it's not going to have all the preservatives in it. It's fresh, tastes so much better. It's good to use locally sourced ground flour, because you're not going to have all that extra processed stuff in it too. So a lot of people who have a lot of gut issues, as I do with my gastroparesis, I have to be very careful. I always have to go gluten-free, or make sure I have locally processed without all the crap in it. So give me a thumbs up on this if you liked it. Give me a comment that yes, you want me to show you how to make pasta really easy. I can do it a couple different ways. I have a machine that does it, and I can show you how to do it by hand. So like, subscribe, and let me know if you want some more cooking tips just from a good old grandma doing her thing. Bye. I hope you guys all have a great day.